Hi guys, in this video tutorial we will learn required field validator in ASP.NET. Okay, now in your project, right click, then click add, then click at new item, then a new form. Then click it. A project will be appeared, a form will be appeared in your project. Now click design. To require a field validator is actually very simple and yet very useful. You can use it to make sure that the user has entered something in a text box control. Let's give it a try and a required field validator to our page. We will also add a text box to validate as well as a button to submit the form with. Now in your table, select table, then select insert, and now you give them 5 rows and 5 columns. Now click at and take two text box, 2 label and a button and a one required field validator. Now drag and drop label, again one label, and here take a text box, again text box and a button. Now first text box, click properties in here label, and then username, and another is email. Now take a validator, required field validator, in a validation panel. Here you will see the compare validator, custom validator, range validator, regular expression validator, required field validator, validator summary. So all this will learn validation. Now I am take and drag and drop required field validator in your form. And again required field validator in your form. Now in your source mode, click source, here first required validator is username. So we'll write the error message is username required. Then who is required field validator will be effective in your text box. Now so write control to validate, text box on. sorry, user actually if the text box will be blank, then what will be the display? Error message. Username required, so here you will name the username required. Now again another text box is email field. So similar to write here email required. Control to validate. Text box 2. So now run the application. Okay, web fonts unit and robot validation requires a script manager for every. For erroring purpose, I will display this error because you may have get a problem. But in this problem situation, just in your web config, click in your click just write here this code. App settings add key validation required string and opportunity equal to value equal to none. So now run again your project. So in this design, the username and email are the more distance. So I'm closing the browser now. In your design, so now run the again your application. So now click your button here. The username is required, email required. So here username is like Shafiq. Now click again button. So here first text box I will input it. So this a message not show, and another email field is blank, so a message will be show the email required. If I am writing the input field is email, now again the button click, so there is no error in your form. Okay, now click in your browser and stop the debugging. In your required field, you may for design a purpose you can change in your color. For a color, the right, and another is So when a user input missing is this field, the validator will be show in your place, and this validator not even the server control, all our controls are the client side. In this situation, if you have a form a lot of buttons, so again I am take another buttons, another buttons, and the button 1 and here is the button 2. So now run the application. Here click the button 2. So here is also a required field validator show, but I do not want to do this. I want to do only applicable button 1. So how can solve this problem? Okay, now close your button, start debugging. Here in this button, write properties, right click, then going to properties, and then go to first validation. Here is the properties called validation. Here is set is true. Now set is false. So this button will not applicable for error validation. Now again in your run the application. So click the button 2. So no error message, no validation message in your button 2. If you click the button 1, the message is also required. Okay guys, I think you enjoy my video. In next tutorial I will show another validation control in ASP.NET.